Hey, it's Design Guy here. I'll show you how to make a stunning restaurant poster step by step. Click the Create button. In the search bar, type Poster. Select the poster option from the results. Choose the landscape orientation to set up your poster layout. Now you're ready to start designing your poster. With your design ready, start by typing restaurant into the Elements search bar. Press Enter to see the available options. Select a restaurant element that fits your design. Drag and drop it onto your canvas. Next, click on the element to select it. Navigate to the color picker or background option in the toolbar. Choose a background color that complements your design and apply it to the selected restaurant element for a polished look. Select the background, then click the background color option. Choose either region or linear from the menu. Next, add a circular region to your background. Pick your desired color and set its transparency to 63 by sliding the transparency slider to the appropriate position. As you make these adjustments, you'll see your background update in real time with the selected color and transparency effect. Click the text box to add a new text element. Begin typing your message, for example, type Japanese food available. You can adjust the font, size, and color if needed to match your design preferences. Once you've finished entering the text, you can drag the text box to position it wherever you want on your layout. Double check the spelling and formatting to ensure everything looks correct, then continue customizing your project as needed. To add more design elements, start by selecting the Elements tab in your toolbar. Scroll or use the search bar to find the price tag graphic. Click on the price tag to add it to your design canvas. You can move and resize the price tag by dragging its corners. Next, add custom text to your price tag. Navigate to the text option in the toolbar and click Add a text box. A new text box will appear on your design. Enter the price or any other information you want displayed inside the price tag. Once you've typed your text, drag the text box over the price tag graphic to position it correctly. To customize the look, highlight the text and use the formatting options at the top of the screen. You can change the font style, select the text displaying 50% off today only. To adjust the font size, navigate to the font size menu and choose a smaller value that fits your design. If you prefer, you can also manually resize the text box. Click and drag one of the corners inward to reduce its size, keeping the proportions consistent. Release the mouse button to set the new text box dimensions. Notice that the text now displays at the updated size and fits better within your design layout. If further adjustments are needed, repeat the resizing process or select a different font size from the menu. Ensure the text remains readable and visually balanced with other elements on your canvas. Once you're satisfied with your design, click the download button in the top right corner. For the highest print quality, choose the PDF print option from the File Type menu. Then, click Download again to save the file to your computer. You can now print your design using your preferred printer. Hope you enjoyed designing a restaurant poster in Canva. If this helped, give it a like and subscribe for more creative tips.